around this rock, the ancient ways I carry forth, the river carries me.
Well, hi, I'm MarieLucinda, and this is your formal invitation to come along and join with me in the most beautiful workshop experience that you could ever partake of. This healing pathway was given to me by Father God above, and I had to walk it first. Took me a long time, 10 years. But today I sit in front of you verbally extending the invitation to join and let me help you. We've done a lot to prepare for this for you and to give you 40 one-hour episodes, one-on-one in a very beautiful sacred space with me. The question that you need to ask is, do you want to take the time? Because right now you're leaning in. And what I would like you to do is ponder the question, can I step all the way in and make this dedication to myself for my inner healing? It will change your life if you just take my hand and let me walk you through it, one holy moment at a time. And if you haven't heard my story yet, you can purchase the book and follow along. It's also ready on audio visual, so you can actually pop it up on your computer and sit back and watch it and let me tell you my story in my own voice. But you're going to get it raw and real. I had to walk it myself. So this isn't something that Father taught me just to give to you. No. I learned it and I've walked it by experience. So I'm just ahead of you a little bit. And I've been asked to turn around and offer my hand to you and walk with you. And I think that's pretty amazing. And I'm so honored to sit here before you and really extend that invitation to you personally, from you to me. And one day in the future, if you're participating in this journey of emotional healing and you find that you've got little groups of people together, 2 groups, 2, 3, 4, and 5 or bigger, invite me and I'll come and I'll sit with you as a group. You just have to email me at christedbride@gmail.com. But come visit my website, look around, look at my calendar. But I just want you to know that this is an open dialogue between you and I. And I can't wait for you to get started. I've got a lot to tell you. I've got a lot to teach. And it is amazing when I open my light of my body. Things are happening that you're going to see. So just a little disclaimer, there's going to be a little bit of woo-woo there. There's orbs that come in and dance around. I blow lights. You're probably not going to see that because my team is a perfectionist. But things are moving and shaking and very, very divine. There was one film that we did that it actually looked like an angel was trying to come in to the back right of me. And the director said, no, wait a minute, something's really wrong there. And he knows me. I wanted it in, but we reshot it. But I'm telling you, things are happening. Because when I open my light in my body, the light of heaven comes in and shines. And you actually can see it. I'm even amazed and surprised. But it is so supernatural. You can say there's such a beautiful magic that happens of truth. And that's the only way you're going to get set free is by truth. Welcome to Earth School, where your knowledge of evil and good is expanded. So I'm ready to help you get off the karma wheel, clear the karma, and this is the way to do it. What you need to ask yourself is, how much do I love myself? How much am I willing to dedicate? You need to be able to pull up your beautiful sleeves and come all in with me. And this is where I will meet you because I'm all in and I can't wait to meet you in person and give you a big hug. But thank you for the consideration. So if you haven't yet, get your workbook, get the book, and let's get started. Many blessings to you.